Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Honda Pilot can take you to some really cool places, like biking, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. To start, we're going to remove this tow loop on the driver's side frame. We're going to remove it by taking out these 3 bolts using a 17mm socket. And this will not be reinstalled. Now on the passenger side, we're going to loosen up our exhaust by removing this rearmost rubber hanger. This will allow us to pull it down enough so we can get our hitch into place. To remove it, we're going to spray it with some soapy water. And then we'll use exhaust removal pliers to take it off. So before we bring our hitch into place, let's go ahead and point out our attachment points. It is identical on both the driver and the passenger side. So on both sides, we'll be using these 3 holes. And there's 2 holes right here behind the bumper. Let's go ahead and get our hitch. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We will be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend you getting an extra set of hands, as this hitch is a little heavy. So we're going to make sure our center plate goes behind our bumper. And then we're going to raise it where it gets right above our exhaust, then we'll pull it down and slide it over. And then we'll line it up. So with our hitch lined up, we're ready to put our bolts into place. For our 2 sides, we have 3 bolts with a conical tooth washer that will go in each of those weld nuts. Let's go ahead and put those in. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now for our attachment points behind our bumper, we have these 2 smaller bolts with these conical tooth washers. Now we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer's specification. For all of our side bolts, we'll be using a 19mm socket. Let's go ahead and tighten those down. And for our 2 middle bolts on the bumper, we'll be using a 16mm socket. And to finish up, we're going to reinstall our exhaust hanger. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 17.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.